Hey, what's up? Hope you're going well. So I decided to enter on gold. So my best position it's 83. My worst it's 33.22. Um yeah, I'm gonna put myself B, TP1, because if it rejects, it might not go in my direction. So let's go with 33.22.5. Copy. It's hot. That's hot. There we go. Oof. At TP2, what I do. Uh, damn, that was fast. That was fast. One position out. Go. Let's go. Okay, so why I play this zone? I'm playing this buying zone here. Here, you see? Boom. This buying zone, and then we have divergence. Whoop. See the divergence. Boom. And I was paying attention about 33.21 area and 23.20 area here, you see? So we have a nice push to the downside. First buyers did uh, get in and then push it down, one, two, buy area. This is where when I saw this candle build up, right? So it was going down, I was looking at 20 area, the 33.20 area, and then it started to reject. This is where okay, I'm in with all the confluence, as you can say, or confirmation, Currently at 124. I'm gonna close another position. Uh, so it's open TP right now. I didn't program any TP. So I did close one here. Push. It's going great. It's going great. That's beautiful. Oof. What's happening with USD, bro? I'm busy, man. I'm busy, my man. Boom, another one close. So I will try to max it out the last one. Ooh, love it, man. So on gold, it can be violent. That's why I know that the momentum is on my side, right? But like here, you see, it pumped, reach TP, let's say, and then whoop, drop immediately and create that lower low. So it doesn't matter. Let's say if we pump, it can go down fast also because it's gold, you know what I'm saying? Like here, you take a buy, let's say here, pump, TP one, two, three, and then whoop, dropped immediately at your entry. So that's why that's my plan on gold. So what we are now? Can we look at that 100 pips move? 100 pips move. Mm, I'm gonna program TP5. Gonna program TP5. Love it. Quick setup, not too long. Depends on how, it's gonna react. Oh, still 5. 32.17. 32.17 is like 100 pips move. What's happening on the market? 33, 32.17. So I'm just gonna look at my previous TP here. So one at 33.26, 134. And other one is 33, 30, 48. Come on, not bad. So at least oh, 1 to 2, bro. Nice, amazing. Skip TP1. We have also 1 to 4, and then I'm out. I just got out, I believe. Let me see here. Yep, I got out. That's the setup. Woo! Final TP. Uh, at 30, 30. Whoa, calmate, bro. 10. I got out at 10. Oh, it's not 1 to 5. Oh, come on, man. Anyway, it is what it is. We are Friday today? Yeah, nice. So that's nice. I hope you had a good trading week and God bless. Have a good weekend. Peace.